Hi, it's Sue from Kind Living. If you're looking to cut back on your sugar intake but still want to satisfy your sweet tooth, I highly recommend this wonderful treat, simply stuffing dates. We're using medjool dates. I like the texture and size of medjool dates, but any date will do. And just simply make sure that you take the pit out so you don't have any unnecessary expensive dental work. And then choose your favorite nut or seed butter. Again, I prefer natural so you don't have any unnecessary added sugars, stabilizing agents and such. And stuff the date and you're good to go. The reason you might want to consider dates, besides the fact that they're delicious and yummy, is that they're high in fiber, they're a good source of protein, have an excellent mineral content, particularly magnesium and selenium and potassium, B vitamins, vitamins A and K, so almost a perfect food. So if you're looking for a healthy, sweet treat, try stuffing dates. Namaste.